Okay, we're now recording. Let's let out these burps.
Poop sticks.
Go first.
1 second, it's chopped in there.
Don't let it come out the
How
other.
much time you got for this?
I don't know. Really? Yeah. That's so girly.
Womp, 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 womp.
Patrick just was going to throw up.
I'm gonna get it out.
It's not going up that way, it's going the other way?
Yeah, basically.
You can't do it.
No.
Still a lot of burps.
I know she did. I'm trying to keep it from coming out the other end right now.
Which end is that?
Do you need to chug some more?
No.
It's there. I got the gas boat up, so.
Excuse me.
Down the stairs.
Lame.
I know it was.
You guys just can't get it done.
I think that was like a once in a lifetime thing.
Alright.
I mean, it's gonna come out the other end sooner or later, but I'll be nice and not do it when everybody's around.
Okay, bye.